Short hair has always been more than just a hairstyle. It is a statement of confidence, freedom, and individuality. It's today video we explore the bold beauty of buzz cuts and ultra short hairstyles that redefine modern fashion. For many people, cutting hair short is not about following trends, it is about breaking limits. A buzz cut removes layer, distractions, and expectations, leaving behind pure personality. When hair is shaved or closely cropped, facial cultures become more visible. Buzz cuts are often misunderstood. Some believe they remove femininity or style, but the truth is opposite. Short hair highlights strength, elegance, and bold self-expression. It shows that beauty does not depend on length; it depends on attitude. One of the most powerful things about short hairstyles is freedom. Freedom from daily styling, freedom from heavy products, freedom from social pressure. What a buzz cut! There is nothing to hide behind, just authenticity. These styles also represent courage. Choosing to go short requires confidence and its self belief. It says, I am comfortable being seen as I am. The confidence naturally attract attention. Buzz cuts come in many variations. Some are completely shaved, some have fades or undercuts. Others combine short sides with textured tops. Each variant tells a different story while maintaining the same bold spirit. Short hairstyles are also incredibly versatile. They work with casual outfits, formal looks, and high fashion styles. Accessories like earrings, makeup, and clothes become more noticeable, creating a clean and modern appearance. Another important aspect is self renewal. For many people, cutting hair short represent a fresh start. It can symbolize